everybody, let's take a look at my Mew collection. So this is my main shelf where I keep a lot of my little knickknacks and some of my favorite cards. I got both sizes of the Funko Pops, a bunch of graded cards that I've gotten over the years. I found this clock on Mercari, it's my favorite. Of course, a look at my favorite Mew card, some art that I got at a convention. Here's where I keep my Mew plushies, Build-A-Bear, one's from conventions, the one from GameStop, Sitting Cuties. My friend Made by a Bot made this for me. And here are some of my favorite Mew cards, all in my binder. And my favorite piece of my collection.